Hi, boys and girls. For grammar today, we are going to talk about verbs again. And we are going to talk about which verb we would use. These verbs are actually called linking verbs. Which verbs we're going to use between was and were. Okay? And there's a rule that helps us decide which one we use. Okay? So you are on page 64 in your Grammar Boost book. You're going to do this with me. Okay? At the very top, it says, circle the verb that correctly completes the sentence. Okay? There is a little thing that will help us when we do this, and I'm going to write it down so that we see what it is, and then we can look back at it when we're doing ours. Okay? So if we have one noun, we're going to use was. If we have more than one, we're going to use were. Okay, so if we have one noun, we're going to use was. If we have more than one noun, we're going to use were. Okay, so let's look at this first one. Our sail, blank stained by the rain. So sail is our noun. Okay, and it's only one sail. So if we have one noun, it's going to be was. Now let's read it and make sure it makes sense. Our sail was stained by the rain. Yes, it makes sense. Okay, let's look at the next one. The special animals blank about to play. Oh, it looks like there's more than one animal. More than one were. The special animals were about to play. 8 of the kids, our noun is kids, and it's more than one. So we're going to use were. 8 of the kids were afraid of the fat stray cat. Yes, that's correct. Both of us blank going to pay for lunch. More than one. Us is the noun. Both of us were going to pay because we had more than one noun, and it is were. I blank asked to give them the chain. I is the noun. There's only one, so it is was. I was asked to give them the chain. Okay, let's look at these last two. I want you to pick. Donna blank going to carry that splendid cat home. Donna is our noun, and there's only one. So which one are we going to do? Was or were? If there's only one noun, which one do we do? Was. Good. Bill and Sam blank telling us when to turn. 2 nouns. More than one noun. Were. Bill and Sam were telling us when to turn. Okay, so if it's one noun, we pick was. If it's more than one noun, we pick were. Boys and girls, when you read these sentences, they should make sense. Okay, so that's another way to do it. If we said, our sail were stained by the rain, that wouldn't make any sense. Right? That sounds funny. Okay, so one noun was, more than one noun were. Okay, let's look at this next part. It says, rewrite the words in alphabetical order. That just means in our ABCs, which one comes first. Okay, so we're going to look at the first letter of each word. All of them start with a P, so that doesn't help us, does it? Let's look at the next letter. We have an L, an A, and an E. Which one comes first in the alphabet? L, A, or E? A comes first, so the word pay is going to be first. Okay, now we're looking at L or E. Which one comes first when we say the ABCs? Let's see. Let's see if L comes first or E comes first. A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, E comes first, so it's pen is the next alphabetical order. And then play. So now they are in order from A to E to L. Pay, pen, play. Let's see what these are. Okay, so the first letter is the same, so that doesn't help us, does it? We need to look at this next letter. E, I, and A. Oh, we know A goes first. M, A, I, L, male. And that one has our hunk and chunk that says A, M-ale. Okay, let's see which comes next, E or I. E in the word men or I in the word mist. Let's say the ABCs, which one comes first? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, men. M, E, N. Men comes next. And the last one is mist. So writing them in alphabetical order is just saying which one comes first in the alphabet. All right, now you will go through and find all of these, and you will circle or highlight.